In the late 20th century, both China and Russia embarked on ambitious weapons programs to secure global dominance. Driven by Cold War legacies and rising tensions, they invested billions in next generation technologies, hypersonic missiles, railguns, and AI driven systems. Declassified documents reveal that Russia allocated over 30% of its military R&D budget to these projects, while China's PLA prioritized leapfrog innovations to counter US superiority. Yet, as we'll see, these visions often clashed with harsh technical realities. Russia's Avangard hypersonic glide vehicle, touted as invincible, faced repeated failures in early tests. Between 2015 and 2018, at least 4 of 12 test launches ended in explosions due to faulty guidance systems. Telemetry data showed the vehicle couldn't maintain stability above Mach 20. Similarly, China's DFZF program suffered from inconsistent propulsion, with 3 out of 7 tests failing to reach target speeds. Hypersonics proved far harder to master than propaganda suggested. China's hypersonic ambitions hit a wall, literally. In 2020, their DF-17's carbon-carbon nose cone disintegrated during re-entry, unable to withstand 2,500 degrees Celsius temperatures. Leaked reports showed that 60% of test vehicles suffered thermal protection failures. Researchers later admitted their alloys lacked the crystalline structure of U.S. materials like enforced zirconia. This forced a costly redesign, delaying operational deployment by at least 5 years, a rare public setback for the PLA. Russia's Skyfall Burevestnik missile promised unlimited range via a miniature nuclear reactor. Reality proved catastrophic. A 2019 test in the Arctic leaked radiation, contaminating a 20-mile radius. Satellite imagery later revealed 3 crashed prototypes, with U.S. intelligence estimating $200 million in losses per failure. The project was so hazardous that engineers reportedly refused to approach wreckage without robotic handlers. By 2022, Putin quietly shelved it, an unprecedented retreat for Russia's strategic forces. China's naval railgun, showcased in 2018 as a game-changer, secretly failed during live-fire tests. The system's electromagnetic rails warped after just 12 shots, reducing accuracy by 70%. Power consumption, estimated at 25 megawatts per shot, overloaded the Type 72U-3 test ship's reactors. By 2021, the PLA abandoned shipboard deployment, repurposing the tech for land-based artillery. Analysts note this mirrored U.S. Navy struggles in the 2010s, proving some physics challenges transcend national budgets. Russia's Uran-9 combat robot, advertised as an AI-powered Terminator, froze during its 2018 Syria deployment. Footage showed units ignoring targets, spinning aimlessly, or requiring manual override, a far cry from autonomous operations. Postmortems revealed the AI couldn't distinguish dust clouds from enemies, while jamming disabled its 12.7mm cannon's auto-aim. Of 20 units field tested, only 4 completed missions without intervention, forcing Russia to delay the program indefinitely. China's 2021 drone swarm exercises collapsed when US-made EW systems hacked their communication networks. Over 200 GJ-11 drones lost GPS synchronization, crashing or flying in circles. PLA after-action reports, later leaked, admitted the AI couldn't adapt to frequency-hopping jammers. This vulnerability forced China to redesign entire C2 architectures, costing an estimated $1.2 billion. The incident proved that quantity can't overcome quality in electronic warfare. Radar upgrades revealed fatal flaws in Russian and Chinese stealth fighters. The Su-57's radar cross-section, measured in 2020 by Norwegian F-35s, was 100x larger than claimed due to poor coating adhesion. China's J-20 fared worse. Its diverterless intakes increased infrared signatures, making it detectable at 50 kilometers by Australian wedgetail AWACS. These setbacks forced both nations to delay mass production, with Russia building just 14 Su-57s by 2023 instead of the planned 76. By the 2020s, the financial toll became undeniable. Russia spent $8 billion on failed superweapons from 2015-2022, while China's PLA wrote off $12 billion in canceled projects. Budget documents show both nations shifting funds toward proven systems like hypersonic deterrent submarines and cyber defenses. As one Kremlin advisor lamented in leaked audio, "We chased science fiction and got bankrupted by Newton's laws." The era of unchecked military ambition had met its reckoning.